Hello and welcome to my new video. Today I'm going to show you what could happen when you doesn't plug in your connector into the socket at your BMW i3 and how this error look like, because it will prevent your car from charging, and how to solve it and what you have to do you will find in this video. I hope you enjoy it. Before we start, I just want to mention that you must not use any kind of cable extension in connection with the charging cable. So what happens if we don't put in the connector completely? The cars try to get it captured, but it's not working, and so eventually we go into a charging error. So in the case of this error, you get here information, please check your charging cable, and it shows that you might have not connected it right to the car. So if you just do a reconnection at the car socket, it will work, and in the next you get an additional information. If the problem is still available or still present, you have to go to service and check your charging plug maybe. Even on the charging cable itself you can see there's something not going right, because we have here a red light which shows that something between the cable and the car connection is not correct. To come to normal charging back again, you just unplug it and plug it completely into the socket, and now you see it will charge. You have the blue light and everything is okay. And the car is charging again. So now we're on the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and it was helpful for you. If it was so, please give me a thumbs up or even subscribe. I wish you all the best. See you next time.